You gonna do it again for us now that we have the camera on you? No. Oh, there you go.
What is that,
What
Matilda?
are you doing? When you smile real big, what are you doing?
What in the world? What are you learning there?
You almost like chewing on your tongue. What are you doing? Are you
Hi.
chewing on your tongue or something?
Hi.
You are so cute, honey. You're so cute. Yeah.
What in the world? What are you learning? What are you learning?
You're smiling.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Are you trying to chew on your tongue?
I wonder if it's just a part of teething.
She's just sucking on her tongue or something, or...
I'm smiling.
Alright. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, silly girl? Say, ah. I don't know what you're doing. It sure is cute, but I still worry about the safety of whatever you're doing.
I don't know. The only thing she did was spit up like 3 times in like less than 2 minutes. And then I wiped each of that off. And then followed up by some slobbering. And that was it. And she started doing the orangutan mouth or whatever it is. I don't know what it is.
Looks like.
Reminded me of the Jungle Book. I want to be like you. I want to walk like you. Talk like.
I might call Julie and find out if he never did something like that. Just to see like what it is.
She's doing it again. What are you doing? Staring at the camera. There we go. There we go. What in the world?
It's cute, and then you smile. And you drool.
What are you doing? What is it? What?
Hey, did Aiden ever do something weird where, like, before he started eating, maybe around teething, did he, like, kind of start puckering his lips, kind of like an orangutan-looking mouth type thing? Okay, Matilda's doing something weird, so we didn't know if that's common. Oh. Well,
Yakety yak.
It's like...
Yak on the.
I mean, it is a little bit of that. It almost kind of looked like, when I first saw her start to do it, I thought she was chewing on something. I thought she had something in her mouth that she was chewing. She'll be 4 months this week.
What?
She'll start this week. But no, it was just like, it just seemed
Nemo.
like there was
You got
something
Nemo?
in her mouth. And, you know,
You like Nemo.
Well, she's not
That's
she can't
Nemo.
hold anything, but she just kind of keeps moving her mouth together like she's chewing on something. And it's like she's chewing on her tongue, and then she just smiles real big and happy.
What?
Yeah, it's just so good. I mean,
What are
she
you
kinda
doing?
looks like this little orangutan.
What's wrong? Well, what is it? Are you tired of being in the bumbo? Alright, let's get out of the bumbo. We're getting out of the bumbo.